Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Developers require several prerequisites before they start the API testing process. Having the right things and processes in place before you complete the test means that you don't face any surprises and have a better chance of completing an accurate API test. Some of the things that you need to start API testing include 1. A test environment. The first thing that you need to set up when starting the API testing process is a test environment. This involves creating a database or server specifically for the application's requirements, whether using a virtual machine or a unique physical device. 2. A clear goal. Know what you are testing in the test environment. For example, understanding whether you are testing the API output and functionality or the security of the application changes what you are looking for. 3. Defined expectations. Having defined expectations means that you have your own expectations of what will happen throughout the process. This means having specific key metrics in mind and approximate results that you expect from your prior research and programming. Defining your expectations and writing down the bounds you expect results to fall within means that you see any outliers sooner and discover what issues an application has, acting on these sooner than is otherwise possible. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.